Everyone's is making chicken drumstick with beer after seeing this genius idea. In a large baking tray, start by adding half a 473 milliliter can of beer. Then add 800 grams of chicken drumsticks, arranging them just like this. Now, to season, on top of each drumstick, add 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Hot sauce to taste, and 1 teaspoon of brown mustard. Now, keep seasoning with black pepper to taste, salt to taste, a pinch of Italian herbs, a 6-gram sachet of chicken seasoning. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. A drizzle of olive oil, and finally, add the rest of the beer. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.